Hi there! So today the next day of our Dance Secrets challenge, and the topic is creating a solo. Let's start. So let's talk about creating a solo dance. I know sometimes it's really scary, but if you really want to express yourself, the first thing that you should feel that stage belongs only to you. I mean, when you go to the stage, you should feel this because you are on the stage now alone, and you just need to accept the thing that the stage is for you, only for you now. A solo performance is a pure magic. Of course, I love group performances because you can do something really big. But solo performances, this is absolutely different thing. And here are three the most important elements, in my opinion. So the first thing is idea. So use storytelling, think about your character, play with the details, define the emotions and atmosphere you want to create with your performance. A dance without an idea is just a series of movements to the music, but true dance is about feelings, emotions, idea. So the second element is movements and technique. Yes, I'm finally talking about this because you need to have some technical foundation in your style and dance vocabulary that you can use when you create choreography. And one more thing. So if you forget your choreography at the stage, you should be able to continue with improvisation. So it's really important. And by the way, I have something for that. Anima Shadows vocabulary, my author's vocabulary, suitable for both beginners and experienced dancers. So you can check it. And third element is dynamics. So dynamics can be created not only through different speeds, of course, but also through the character of the movements, through the emotions, through the levels you can use, and of course, mood. So everything in our life is dynamic, and art follows the same rules. So what really important for creating memorable performance? This is music and rhythm. Music is your main guide, setting the rhythm, atmosphere and direction of movements. It helps create emotional tension and support the structure of the dance. It's important to analyze the music, identify key moments, and shape movements, synchronizing them with the music. You should dance with the music, not just to it. And you can watch previous days in Highlights Dance Secrets. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope it was helpful for you, and please share in the comments what do you think about creating solo. Are you already trying to do this, or maybe you just thinking about creating your first solo?